right hairstyle for your face shape can make all the difference to your looks. But first things first, you need to figure out your face shape. Here's our guide to finding the best haircuts for your face shape. But the question arises, what is my face shape? To find out your face shape, take a selfie with your hair tied back. Then trace around the outside of your face and see which shape it most closely resembles. Here are the types: rectangle, oval, square, diamond or round. Now that you know your face shape, let's take a look at the hairstyles best suited for you. Most flattering haircuts for your face shape. Now those with a rectangle face should work to soften the appearance of their sharp jaw and forehead without further elongating the face. A soft layered cut such as this one on Anne Hathaway's face will look great on a rectangle face. If you have an exceptionally long face, this is a great way to balance it out. For example, it can enhance cheekbones while disguising the corners of the face. For oval-faced ladies who like short hair, a blunt bob haircut or lob haircut with subtle layers will look particularly chic. If you prefer long hair, on the other hand, opt for minimal layers or style your hair with waves or curls to keep it from dragging down your face. Once again, here are a few celebs who have an oval face: Beyonce, Kim Kardashian, Millie Bobby Brown. Here's how you can balance the width if you have a really long oval face. See how Rihanna has done this flawlessly. A square-shaped face features a broad forehead, wide cheekbones and a strong jawline. Select a cut that softens these features. For a look that complements your bone structure, consider a side-parted style which will offset the squareness. You can either follow Jennifer Aniston's style or Zendaya's to bring out your best features. Diamond is an angular face shape that features a narrow forehead and jawline with cheekbones at the widest point of the face. For a soft look, consider a medium or long layered cut worn with tousled waves and a deep side part. Also, don't forget to try a pulled back ponytail for a look that will show off your cheekbones while also widening the appearance of your forehead. Celebs with a diamond face include Jennifer Lopez and Vanessa Hudgens. Round face shapes typically feature a similar length and width as well as prominent rounded cheeks. Therefore, the most flattering hairstyles for ladies with round faces are those that add definition and shape. In particular, long layered cuts and choppy pixie cuts tend to look best. If you're wondering what to avoid, steer clear of bobs and side length cuts along with short layers which can balloon around your face, and full curls which can also enhance the appearances of roundness. Selena Gomez has a great way of using side bangs to frame her face to give it a more defined look. Back home, Alia Bhatt and Vidya Balan have tried some interesting styles that may work for you too. Now there are some basic hairstyles that work for most people and that you will never go wrong with. Some other things to keep in mind while picking your look are wardrobe, body type and of course what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Consult a good hairstylist who also understands these basics and can guide you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Hope this video helps you get a stunning haircut. What topic should we make the next video on? Do let us know in the comments below.